I gotta clean up the shop here before I can get started. Here we go. We got snow last night and the night before. Temperature drops -10 out right now, Celsius. And I'm just gonna fix a couple things on the truck here. I ordered some decals here on eBay for the fan. They always wear right out. But after I stuck them on, I realized I should have scraped off the paint, the factory paint, to allow the light through, because the light barely shines through these two now. So remember that if you do it. I think I got the stickers here. Yeah, here's the stickers it comes with here. All the different stickers, but the fan ones always wear out. They're only like $4.95 for all these stickers. The other thing that's broken is the latch on here. So if I tip up this middle seat, everything falls out. So I ordered one of these off eBay, and just trying to figure out how the hell it goes in here. And it looks like I got to take off this inner piece so that the I can get it through this hole here, so I can get the screw part through that hole and screw it in, and see how that goes. I'm going to take this cover off here and try it first. I also ordered a money changer. It's missing out of this truck to sit into here, but there's two different types. This is more of a square hole, and this one's kind of rounded on the corners. I don't know if I can file it down or make it work, but it doesn't want to sit in there. So I don't know, that didn't work out good. Might fit my son's truck. Okay, let me take these 4 screws out of here, see if I can make this thing work. Well, there's the broken piece in there from the old one, and I can reuse those 2 screws. So that's what I'm gonna do. Where is it? It's here. So that goes like that. There she goes. And she works good. I tested like that before I put the cover on. But that's it. There she goes. Doesn't come up anymore now. One job done. Now I'm going to change that flat tire on that Kubota tractor. That's next. See if you can see that there. -10. Yeah. -20, -10. Fahrenheit. Charging up that Kubota battery right there for that tractor. I hope it's still okay. It did start it up for me, but it looks like it's swollen out here. Might have froze at one time. It doesn't look that old. Well, I think that might be April of 2016, that number. Anyways, here's the flat tire on the Kubota. Kind of popped it off on the wrong side. The valve stem goes on this side, so I might have to break the bead there, unless I can tuck that, get my hands in there and tuck the valve stem through that. But I want to scrape all this oil and grease off of here. That's why I haven't changed this in the last week, because it's just a dirty mess. I'm gonna put some gloves on, clean that all up, some WD-40, and hopefully that'll take it off. Get this put back on the tractor. If the battery, I'm gonna pull the carb off that tractor too and clean it out, because it was leaking a bit of fuel. The needle and seat sticking. And then I can at least move that thing around. Okay, this is next. Okay, I got her cleaned up. I got all the grease off of it, most of it. Might be a little bit more in here. I don't know why there's grease on there, because there's no bearing in the hub, and there should be just a spacer between the wheel and the transmission. But I haven't had a close look outside, but when I took it off, it looked like there was like somebody stuck a long needle bearing in there for a spacer and greased it. I don't know why. I'll look at that in a minute. Still some grease on here. There's some sidewall cracks in the tire, but that's all right. I got these two tubes for I think 22 bucks American, or you could buy one for 22, so I got two. Whenever I change a tire, and on motorcycle tires, flat tires that came into the shop, you always take your bare hands and you run it inside the tire carefully, because there might be a piece of glass, a barbed wire. Oh, thought I found something there. Nope. Barbed wire, a thorn from a rose bush or thorn bush of some type, and just check it all the way around. Double check it, because you hate to put a brand new tube in there and find out you got a nail still puncturing through the tires. Check the sidewalls, check the whole tire. I check it twice. Doesn't take much to puncture that. Check the sidewalls. Even look through here. I think this thing probably just got low on air over the years, and somebody drove it and pinched it. It feels like there might be something there. Something right here. Let's see here. There's something right there. I don't know if that's it there. it go? Right there. There's something sticking in there. It's just not it's sticking out. Maybe, oh, maybe I can get it. Did I get it? Maybe I got it. I think I got it. It felt like wood. Pretty sure I got it. It felt like a thorn, wood thorn, but there's a lot of junk in here, so I can't really, there's a lot of dirt in here, so I can't really see it. Was it there? Anyways, I got it out. Let's check it again. Should be good. Okay, so now it would be better if I had this tube on the other side of the rim. I got it on the wrong side, or the tire on the wrong side of the wheel there. So yep. So it's just going to go like that. It's cold, a little bit, everything's stiff here. Down at the bottom here. I think I have to do this on the floor, it's too tall. I'm gonna get my valve tool. Yeah. Going to put this on it so it doesn't get pulled through like that. Make sure the tube's not up at the top, which it isn't. A little bit of soapy water, a little bit of Windex. I used to have 3 of these, and I lent the one away. Sure use it now. Got a real dull screwdriver to hold this in place. The tube's down at the bottom, so oop. Doing this on the floor. Can't do it like that. It's gonna be fun. I might have it a little bit too wet. Let me get some air. We do not want that to fall in there. This thing works like shit. Whoa, I'm almost losing it. Come on. I need a better air check. I put like 8, well, I got about 10 pounds in there right now. I thought it said 32 in here, but it says 32 may cause fatality or something, maybe fatal. You can see there are a lot of cracks in this old tire, but it's still good. I see a lot of them like that. I see guys selling them like that with cracks in it and still want money. Yeah, so this shaft is keyed. No bearings on it at all. Let's go out and see why there's so much grease there, because I'm pretty sure it's getting dark out now. It's about 5:30. And pretty sure I saw like a needle bearing or something on there. I don't know, all that shit there. It's just covered in grease. Yeah, it looks like part of the cases. There must be a seal in there. Yeah, it's just a metal spacer. A lot of shit on it. Let me throw that in the garbage. Oh, I'll take that right off. Yeah, maybe there's. Luckily, I got a parts book. I'll look it up. So when I saw that with all the grease on, I thought maybe there's some needle bearings or somebody just shoved a spacer on there, but. It's just supposed to be a metal sleeve like that. That's the spacer. And might need a seal in that rear transaxle. Let me clean that up. There, I'll go shove that back on and then I'll check the parts diagram and maybe I can order 2 seals and clean that transaxle up, change oil in it. I'm getting all dirty again. I just cleaned my hands. Okay, she's ready for the wheel. Hope I got the clip and everything somewhere. Oh crap, she's cold out. It's cold, I gotta wash my hands. I got the service manual here, and it's saying there's 3 different types of bearings that could be used on that differential, and 2 of them have this square cut seal that just fits into the end of the bearing, and they're just packed with grease. And then the heavy duty one is this this ball bearing one here with the seal onto the bearing, and I think that's the one that I have there. I've already got the wheel back on, and I didn't look at it real closely enough. I just thought there would have been a seal in there, pressed in seal, but no. And there's no real oil in that transaxle. It's just grease. You just pack the bearings with grease as far as I can see. And I've seen that before in other ones where you just coat everything with grease and That's it. Take it apart every so many hours, I don't know. But there's oil parts, and then this is grease. Doesn't say what kind of grease. But that's it. I just put it back together for now. I'm going to clean it up in the spring because there's grease out everywhere. And I don't want to pull apart the whole thing. It's all working fine. If something happens to it, then pull it apart and rebuild it. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll go and show you I've got it back together. Finally got a sunny day, but it's still pretty cold out. Yeah, it's about 12 degrees Fahrenheit. It's at 12 degrees Celsius too, I think. That's how that works. Anyways, I got the wheel all back on. It's a roller now. Battery's charged up. I could drive it. I guess I should make a shifter knob because that kind of cuts your hand. And yeah, I believe you only put like 8 to 10 pounds in those tires. Not very much. 6 to 10, anywhere in there. But that's it. That's it for now. I'm just changing the gear case oil on the Norton. Oh, turn the music out. I'm gonna cut my video. Just changing the gear case oil on the Norton. I'm using this Redline heavy shockproof oil, and it's is it 90 or 75, 90, something like that? I can't remember. But it's good for gear cases. The reason why I want it, that's red, that oil. So if you ever got a leak on your bike and you see the red, you know it's a gear case. It's not the motor oil leaking out. So it's, you couldn't tell before because everything takes 20/50. So yeah, that's why I did that. So okay, that's it for this week. I still haven't got to the carbs on that yet. I got to pull that off. Maybe today. I just got to get psyched up for that bike. I've just done it so many times. I'm just sick of doing it. It's a dirty job. Okay, that's it for now.